How does solar power work in Sydney? I was told the feed-in tariff doesn't matter, but I don't understand. I thought that was the whole point of going solar. Yeah, so it's been quite a while now since we had those really big rebates on the feed-in tariff. I think that, yeah, they were 60 cents a kilowatt hour. That's long gone now. So basically, the way solar power works in Sydney is it's directed into your home to be used immediately. So basically, by using solar power, you're not buying power from the grid. And so that's directly going to reduce your power bill. And importantly, with that, you're not actually going to see the saving on your bill like as a line item. It's just going to be a smaller bill. So, say for example, you have a $800 quarterly bill, and then you go and install a good, a large solar system, and that say might reduce your bill by $400. Well, then your bill will just be $400 next time. But then there is also a feed-in tariff. So if you don't use the solar power as it's being used in the home immediately, and you don't have battery storage, that will go straight out to the grid, and you'll get paid a feed-in tariff by your energy retailer, which is a bit different to, it's not a rebate, but it's a part of the agreement you have with your energy retailer. And they bounce around a bit, like they've been up over 20 cents before per kilowatt hour, but these days they're somewhere between, say, 5 and 10 cents. I think a lot of retailers at the moment are around about 7 cents a kilowatt hour. And so obviously with the price of power at the moment being a lot more than 7, and it's on the way up, and it's getting a little bit scary, but in that peak billing period, if you've got time of use billing, it may even be well over 50 cents a kilowatt hour. So it's much, much better to save 50 cents in that example compared to getting a 7-cent credit on your bill. So what we say is we want your feed-in tariff um, on your bill to be as small as possible, because that means you're using as much solar power in the home as it's being generated. And so as in that example, if your $800 bill is now 400, we'd only want to see like a $20 or $30 credit on your bill from your feed-in tariff, because that means you're really making the most of the power that you're generating.